Hello and namaste everyone. Myself Supriya Gole and welcome to Broadway Infosys channel. In this channel, our amazing students share their experience, insight and learning journey. Today we are thrilled to introduce our international student, Miss Tenzing Dolkar, all the way from India. So let's hear her unique experience. Namaste Tenzing ma'am, welcome to Broadway Infosys.
Namaste. Thank you for having me here.
You're most welcome. Could you please start by introducing yourself?
My name is Tenzing Dolkar. I'm from India, Delhi, and I done my schooling from India, Dehradun. So currently, I'm taking advanced Excel course
In Broadway
in
Infosys,
Broadway
right?
Infosys.
Okay.
Yeah.
What brought you to the Nepal? Is it your first time?
No, actually, I came to visit my relative. So it's been almost 5 years since I often visit Nepal. So I thought to take a advanced Excel course. So during this 2-3 months, yeah.
Okay. Can you please share a bit about your academic background, your schooling, your high school? How was it?
Yeah, I've done my schooling from Dehradun, and after that I started working in hotel line.
Hotel line?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about Broadway Infosys. How did you first hear about Broadway Infosys?
Actually, I was looking for a computer course. I was browsing down somewhere nearby the Kathmandu, so I found Broadway Infosys. It is quite advanced, and yeah, it looks quite leading institute. Yeah.
You are currently taking advanced Excel course, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. What motivates you to choose that specific course?
Actually, I'm looking for related to data entry. So it included in the Excel. That's why I choose the Excel. Yeah.
What is the total duration of the course?
My total duration of the course is 10 days, actually, one-to-one session.
Mm-hmm.
So, because I don't have enough time, so I wanted to finish it as soon as possible within 10 days. Yeah.
Okay. How do you describe teaching style of our instructor?
Rosie ma'am, she is my instructor. She is truly knowledgeable and her teaching technique is really good. I really appreciate.
Okay. What was your expectation before you joined Broadway Infosys?
My expectation was always good since it seems a leading, well-known institute. So my expectation is good. It's up to the mark also.
Okay. Do you feel those expectations were met?
Yes, definitely it's met. Yeah.
How would you rate how would you rate the support provided by our staff and instructor during the course?
During the course, all the staffs here are very welcoming. Start from the reception, they are very cheerful. They always welcome to the students who say welcome, and all the staff, including Shreya also. She is also very helpful. I connect with her through all my journey.
Mhm.
Since before I joined there, she is truly helpful, and yeah, she's truly recommended. Yeah.
Okay. How has this course helped you in practically or professionally?
Uh, yeah, it is very helpful. Practically also, I'm taking a practical course also in the class with Rosie ma'am. She's truly helpful.
Mhm. What has been your overall experience as an international student at Broadway?
2 years, I really recommend Broadway Infosys to all the students who say were within the Nepal or outside the Nepal also. I truly recommend Broadway Infosys.
Okay. How did you feel with the culture and academic environment here at Broadway?
Academic environment, it's really cheerful and yeah, really good. Yeah.
So, how do you compare the study of this Nepal Broadway Infosys study and previous study at India?
Yeah, to be speak honestly, I found Broadway Infosys is more advanced. I really like, I am so glad that I chose this institute, Broadway Infosys. Yeah.
Do you want to say something to Broadway Infosys?
Um, Actually, I think they started since from 2008.
Yeah.
2008, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
2008.
So it's been a very long journey. So I am sure that they keep growing. Yeah, I truly, yeah,
Okay.
well
Do you
wish.
have any future plan regarding your relevant field in advanced Excel?
Yeah, normally advanced course it's really helpful to all the hotel related work. So that's why I choose this as a data entry also. Yeah.
Do you want to suggest anything to our international students who wants to study at Broadway? Because we have both online and physical services. So do you want to say something to them?
And yes, I really recommend, yeah, to all the international students whosoever wanted to study their further computer course in Broadway Infosys. To all here, all the staffs are truly helpful and truly recommended.
So finally, is there any message you want to share with our viewers?
Yeah, really, I wish you all the best to the Broadway Infosys to keep growing the company and to help all the students to grow themselves with them also.
Thank you so much, Tenzing ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video till the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Broadway Infosys, inspiring growth. An ISO 9001-2015 certified IT learning center. Phone 411-7578. Sri Ganesh Marga, Subidhanagar, Tinkune, Kathmandu.